In this vast expanse of the world, each of us holds the potential to create waves of change, to ripple out, touching lives, influencing thoughts, and shaping futures. It's not about the size of the action, but the intent behind it. A simple act of kindness, a word of encouragement, a smile, these can all spark a chain reaction, a domino effect of positivity. Remember, the strength of your impact doesn't depend on the magnitude of your action, but the depth of your intention. So take a moment, reflect on your potential, your power. You hold an immense potential to cause a change, a positive one. Imagine tossing a stone into a still pond. What happens? The stone pierces the water's surface, creating a splash. The splash then gives birth to a series of ripples that extend far beyond the initial point of impact. This, my friends, is the ripple effect. Much like the stone tossed into the pond, every action we take in life generates a ripple effect. The influence of our actions, big or small, doesn't simply end with the immediate consequences. Instead, it spreads outwards, affecting the world around us in ways we might not even realize. Let's take a simple example. You decide to plant a tree. That single act of planting a tree doesn't just result in a new tree. It provides a habitat for wildlife. It contributes to cleaner air. It offers shade on a hot day, and it even enhances the beauty of the surroundings. The ripples of your action extend far beyond the initial act. But the ripple effect isn't exclusive to grand gestures or significant actions. Even the smallest acts can create ripples. A smile to a stranger, a word of encouragement to a friend, a helping hand to a neighbor. These seemingly insignificant actions can have a profound impact, triggering a chain of positive events. The ripple effect underscores the interconnectedness of our world. It reminds us that our actions, no matter how small, have the potential to spark change. It emphasizes the power we hold within us to make a difference. But remember, the ripple effect works both ways. Just as positive actions can have far-reaching positive impacts, negative actions can also spread negativity. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of our actions, to strive to make positive ripples that improve the world around us. So the next time you're about to make a decision, remember the ripple effect. Consider the potential impact of your actions, not just on you, but on the world around you. After all, every action counts, every decision matters. Your actions, no matter how small, can set off a ripple effect of change. But how exactly can you make a positive impact? What are the pillars of change? Well, let's delve into this. The first pillar of positive impact is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about stepping into someone else's shoes, seeing the world from their perspective. When we embrace empathy, we can better understand the needs and struggles of those around us. And this understanding fuels our desire to make a difference. So how can you incorporate empathy into your life? Start by actively listening to others. Hear their stories, feel their emotions. When you engage in conversation, try to understand rather than just respond. Remember, every person you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be kind always. The second pillar is integrity. Integrity is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. It's about doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. Upholding integrity means standing up for what you believe in, even if it's unpopular. It's about being true to yourself and your values and not compromising them for personal gain. You can incorporate integrity into your life by being honest in your dealings, standing up against injustice, and honoring your commitments. Remember, your character is defined by what you do when no one is watching. The third pillar is resilience. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. It's about facing challenges head-on and bouncing back stronger. Demonstrating resilience means not giving up when things get tough, but rather learning from the experience and moving forward. You can build resilience by embracing challenges, learning from mistakes, and maintaining a positive outlook. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. So there you have it. The pillars of positive impact: empathy, integrity, and resilience. These are not just abstract concepts, but practical tools that you can incorporate into your everyday life. Embrace empathy, uphold integrity, and demonstrate resilience. These are your tools for change. Actions speak louder than words, a cliché but a powerful truth. In our journey towards making a positive impact, it's not about what we say, but what we do that truly matters. Think about it. You can talk about planting a tree all day, but until you dig that hole, place the seedling in it and water it, you're not creating any real change. The world is full of chatter, full of grand ideas and noble intentions, but it's the quiet, diligent actions that truly move mountains. It's the small steps taken consistently that lead to significant change. So let's not just be talkers. Let's be doers. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world. Let's turn our words into powerful actions. Because, my friends, actions don't just speak louder than words, they scream, they echo, and they resonate. It's time to turn your words into actions. Start now. Ready to start your journey of making a positive impact? Well, the time has never been more ripe. Imagine a world where each of us, in our unique ways, contributes towards creating a positive ripple. It starts with you. Yes, you. Taking that first step might seem daunting, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. It's about taking that leap of faith, embracing the unknown, and trusting that your actions, no matter how small, can make a difference. Whether you're planting a tree, volunteering at a local shelter, or simply lending an ear to a friend in need, your actions matter. They carry weight. They create waves of positivity that reach far beyond what the eye can see. And remember, the road may be long and filled with challenges, but don't let that deter you. Keep pushing forward, keep striving for change, because the journey to making a positive impact begins with a single step. Take that step today.